this is Graeham Watts with the Martin team at Intera Real Estate. We wanted to thank you again for coming by another one of our properties. This one we really wanted to show you the before photos of what it looks like now, so you can really kind of compare and contrast with the work that we do with what this place is going to look like when it's done. It's going to be a completely different property. Why don't you come in and take a look and see what it looks like. As you can see here, this is the main living space. We have some old carpet. It definitely needs some paint, and we actually were pretty lucky here. We looked underneath the carpets over here, and as you can kind of tell, this has got beautiful hardwood floors over here that when we're finished with it is going to run throughout all the property. We're going to resand it, refinish it. It's going to look beautiful when we're done finishing out the floors over here. If you walk over here into the kitchen, you can kind of tell the old laminate floor is worn out. That's how old it is over here. I'm going to put in new flooring in here. The countertops, cabinets, and the kitchen sink even, you can kind of see really need to be updated and fixed. You can see the sink, even behind the sink here, it doesn't have any tile. It's just open to the drywall. If you come over to the hallway down here, bedrooms. This is the first bedroom here. We're gonna just repaint, put in new floors, and the bathroom over here. We actually have a stall shower behind the door here, which you wouldn't even know exists unless you close the door. You were in there. But the bathtub only has the old tile around the edges. We're really gonna redo the whole thing over here so it looks new. We might even have enough space to put in 2 bathrooms, one for making this one a second master suite if we can make it fit. If you come kind of down the hallway, you have the second bedroom here. Again, needs new paint. We're going to redo all the floors in here. And at the end here is the master suite. It's actually a really good size master suite. We're going to get rid of the old ceilings here, and we got a good space here to do a closet with a closet and a bathroom. You can kind of see right now it's split with the 2. We're going to redo all of this, new floors, new tubs, new sink, double vanity, so I make this a really nice retreat for when someone wants to relax and just has a hard day. This is going to be a really peaceful place for them. You have access to the good sized backyard back here. Why don't you come and take a look and see what we got going on back here. So you can see out here we actually have a pretty good sized backyard. It's kind of hard to tell with all the stuff that's back here right now though. As you can tell, he had some plants back here on the side. We're going to open all this up, and even back here, as you can kind of see in the corner, it's a jungle right now. We had some potted plants that have sunk into the ground and actually taken root beyond the potted plants. We're going to tear all this out, really open all this up. This is going to be a great play space, entertaining space for kids to run around, hang out, entertain, barbecue, and really enjoy your time with the family. Even in this space back here, it took me a while to figure out what we're going to be doing with this space. You look at it right now, it doesn't look like much. We're going to turn this into kind of like the adult play area. I'm going to have a nice fire pit where they can hang out, maybe a cabana, something like that, ground where they can hang out here, enjoy some wine, sit back, relax, and have the kids over here playing if they want, or entertain, and it'll be good way for them to relax and enjoy. Wanted to thank you so much for coming by and taking the tour today. I'm really looking forward to showing you what this place looks like after we're done transforming it. If you have any questions about our services, as I have mentioned in some of my earlier stuff, that we have ways where we can finance in the cost of the renovation work into the escrow, so you don't pay for anything out of pocket, and that way you can really maximize the value of your house. If you have questions about anything that we do, feel free to give me a call, and thanks so much for coming by and taking the tour with us.